Hello, welcome to cryptocurrency, mobile mining and trading. Please subscribe to this channel, like the video, hit the bell button. All questions come on comment section. So for now, we are going to check on Pi network updates, and I'll start with Sophia 27 on Binance Square. It said Pi network is waking up and the bulls are cycling. After a jaw-dropping 80% plus rebound from April's low, Pi is growing signs of a bottom, and the charts are starting to grow green. Yes, the image is there. You can check on Stanford Ladner. Pi network update June 12 there says, while the mainnet launch is still awaited, interest around Pi continues to build in the crypto community. Men are holding tight, expecting major development post KYC and ecosystem. Launch. An official Pi IOU price were listed 40 to 60 dollars, varies by platform. This is unofficial, not tradable on major exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. Not tradable, mining paused for many, awaiting full mainnet unlocks. Key talking points: over 50 million users globally. Utility apps and Pi hackathons are shaping real use cases. Mainnet migration and wallet verification are crucial next steps. Core team remains focused on KYC and ecosystem utility. Is Pi the next big thing or still too early to tell? Drop your thoughts below. Are you mining, building, or waiting? So do this on the comment section. And let's check on latest boosts. Few seconds ago or such, we have H Crypto B said, this is my Pi app. This is my account. You can see I have 723 right now Pi coins. Let's continue. Can someone explain to me how this shit is still at about 5 billion market cap? Can someone explain to me how this shit is still at almost 5 billion market cap? Pi statistics. Market cap almost 5 billion. Volume, yes. It's time to buy Pi coin. As people complain why the price is low, others are taking advantage to buy. So it's time to buy Pi coin. Doge, Pepe. Oh, but he's talking about Pi. Buy Pi coin now. Yes. We have the most anticipated and awaited group for millions of pioneers. Binance Pi network. The moment Binance will list Pi network, my friends, it will be a turning point. Usability will be very high, transactions will be very high, the price will go up, and I know it will happen. Let's wait for KYB qualification and such to be approved, and everything will be fine. Is this the beginning of Pi rise? This is 6 hours ago by Miha Daniel. As we approach Pi today, the momentum is building, with Pi network reaching 63 cents. Could this be the start of its climb back to greatness? Of course, it is. Pi will shoot one time. From the slums of uncertainty to a future of possibilities, Pi is proving it's worthy. Be part of the journey. Start mining Pi today and celebrate the revolution. Let's check on another Pi post. While the mainnet launch is still awaited, interest around Pi continues to build in crypto community. Men are holding tight, expecting major development post KYC and ecosystem launch. An official Pi IOU price were listed $40 to $6. Not tradable. Mine post. He repeated what I had read. Now let's check on another one. Let's open this image and see. Pi Network API leak reveals internal rates of GCV price, that is 314,159 per Pi, and glimpse into a parallel digital economy powered by dual value infrastructure. The leak API endpoint confirms dual valuation system. Internal value, GCV, global consensus value, external market rate, sourced from real-world exchanges and third-party crypto APIs. Timestamp for rate synchronization, add data validation. The logic behind the dual rate framework. Internal rate GCV $314,159 per 304,159 Pi. Dollars per Pi. Community driven represent the value agreed upon by Pi global user base. Utility oriented support. Utility oriented support. Then we have stable reference, act as baseline, external rate. Yes, you can understand that on your own. Let's check on another one. We have Pi network price tightens as triple bottom pattern signals potential 35 breakouts. Oh, only 17 days left to claim your Pi. Thus the name of the race is on. And I want to warn guys, please don't claim anything you see online. Don't please. You will be conned and you will lose everything. We cannot go by what people say, come young, grab this. You will be asked to put your passphrase and everything will go away. Please don't. Don't. So, these are Pi domains and you can see their prices. So, Pi domain are legit and you can just go to the section on your Pi browser and claim any of these if you want. What does this tell us? Digital real estate is real, and your Pi name might be the next hot asset. No renewals, permanent Web3 identity, ideal for pioneers, builders a business. Grab yours in the Pi browser. Go to Pi network domains. Get your identity, shine on the Pi blockchain, secure your name before someone else does. Yes, this was a nice one. And those who are interested with the domains, please rush and do it because your time is 17 days to go. Pi network, how can you explain? Somebody asked that. Massive community support. Pi network, one step closer to Binance. After 10 days of intensive voting on Binance Square, the community has spoken loud and clear on one big question. Should Pi be launched on Binance? Yeah, and the results are in. Yes, it is 7.1%. No, 12%. Total eligible votes 232,637. Voting period was 17th to 27th February. Daily momentum, the Pi community showed up. You see, everybody, this 12%, I don't know who are they, because I don't know why they should add a cryptocurrency that you have not invested in, you have not seen. Like myself here, if I'm asked on Binance, I better not vote than to vote something that I don't want. So if any pioneer for Pi network should be happy when it is listed on Binance. And I think this was just 100% said yes because these are the pioneers. These 87% here are pioneers. These people, I don't know where they are from. Those who are saying no, I don't know the reason behind that. And I can say this was illegal. It was not supposed to. I cannot vote for no listing. How? That is an offense. So, Pi network market updates. Pi has rebound over 10%. Yes, we had read this, and I know everybody here is well updated on Pi. And I beg to stop there, please. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment. We shall meet on the next video. Thank you.